The last time Guy and Teresa Frechette saw their van, which is painted to look like Scooby-Doo's,
you suck and this game sucks. Oh, dude, your stream sucks. This game sucks. My computer sucks. I have a virus on my computer. Yeah, something smells in my room. Something smells in my room too. Oh, by the way, I ordered something from Amazon. I didn't get here today. It was supposed to get here. I don't know, man. What do you want me to say? Why don't you go rake some leaves? Why don't you go rake some leaves then? What are you doing here? If you don't like the game and you don't like me, what is keeping you here? Why don't you go fucking rake some leaves? What do you want me to do for you? It's summer. So go rake some rocks! Jerma, how come you look like you're 17? Because I moisturize every day. I'm gonna have youthful skin. Oh, the rest of my life. L10 is U10 if none of these work. F10 sub F10 sub Ecton L10 L10 I einst utensive Eltensile Uten Why don't I know what this is? What the fuck is this fucking word? What is this word, man? What is this word?
Contestant number 2.
F10 sub background? Somebody just walked in with a fucking pan and went like bonk, right in the back of my head. This is gonna be a huge pain in the ass. My patience is so low. It's so low. It takes so much for me to... I know what I have to do here, right? But the prospect of doing this is like... It's like I can hear fucking colors in my head. I just don't want to do it. How come every time I comb my hair with a comb, it just looks like I have a toupee on? It's too smooth. Right? This looks like I'm wearing a hairpiece. Look at that! Am I gonna walk across this? Look! These guys are so huge! We can hear your stomach? You probably can. Holy shit, you probably can. You can hear my... Stop listening to me. Don't do that. I'm hungry. I love that. That's like the piano of the comb sounds, right? I don't think this does anything. Oh! Oh shit! Wait.
Hello, Internet. Welcome to Game Theory.
Can you go through spider silk? Yeah. I'm telling you right now, you give me 3 buttons and I'll be.
Why are you good at this? I'm telling you right now, you give me 3 buttons and I'll be. Why are you good at this? I'm telling you right now, you give me 3 buttons and I'll be.
Hey, dude, you got a long ass head. Please do break arm. Relax. You guys just want breakcore. You guys can't pay attention unless it's like, no. You guys, this is bad for your brain. This is bad for your brain. This is bad for your brain. It's not good for your brain. You need to slow down. You need to read a book. You need to fucking breathe oxygen and shit. Like, lie down. Lie in bed. Don't listen to this. Stop listening. It's small doses. This is like gonna hurt your brain cells. They're gonna fry. It's over. Now I miss it. Don't you?
Progressive.
Biore charcoal cleansers.
I don't know. No. I decide what ads get on the stream. I can't do this. What are your thoughts on the 2002 World Series squad for the Red Sox? Okay, I'll give you an opinion on that. Wow, I have to write this now. Wow. So I wrote this down. I was a little bit high, and I wrote this, and I think it's incredibly profound. Hey, I want to try something. Can everyone at exactly 3 p.m. Pacific time Monday all collectively pray for me and send positive thoughts to me? It's just like everyone just like prays and like says like, oh my God, like Jerma, like we all like love you. And like, I want to see if I like feel all right. You know what I mean? Like I was going to sit there and be like, do I feel any different? I wonder if I feel like cool. I imagine like a cool feeling. I don't know. I just imagine Santa Claus sitting there just like fucking fidgeting in the chair like, get me the fuck out of this chair. I'm not like going into the fucking the bathroom in the airplane and like making a bunch of weird sounds and stuff. I'm just saying like you move around, you kind of crack your knuckles. I can't. I hate sitting there for an hour. I would never, ever. This is why people are like,
Hey man, you ever gonna go to like Europe for anything?
no, I could never ever do it. I can never do people that.
Oh yeah, man, it's not bad. Yeah, the flight to London's not bad. It's like 11 hours.
Huh? No. One of the number one reasons I cannot sleep on an airplane has nothing to do with like being able to actually, drift off and go to bed. It's I don't know what I look like sleeping on an airplane. It freaks me out. Because people walk up and down that aisle, and I just know that, if I'm sitting there like, it's just like people are walking by going like, oh, that guy's dead. Out of the corner of my eye, he was 10 seconds in front of me in the movie. And I'm just sitting there being like, shit. I can see this. There's a stream delay. I'm getting the stream delay version. So I literally am seeing this. I have this in like my peripheral, like right there. Somebody else is watching the exact same fucking movie 10 seconds in front of me. So I contemplate. I didn't do this, but I contemplated walking up to him and saying, so he had to pause his movie, right? And so he'd be like, I'd be like, oh shit, sorry about that. So then like, all right, get back to my seat so I can watch the fucking movie now. So that's why I said, all right, fuck it, I'm not gonna watch this movie, and I'm not gonna bother somebody, because that's like, I don't want to do that. That's stupid. I wouldn't want somebody to bother me. Like, you're just trying to relax on a plane. Like, I'm not gonna do that. So I just like try to go to bed and whatever. But now, if I want to watch a movie, if I ever want to watch a fucking movie, ever, it's like, oh, and the movies are... What is it? Stuart Little. Stuart Little, go, Stuart Little. I'm watching Stuart Little first. Fuck off. I got it first. I'm watching Stuart Little.
Hello, everyone.
Are you all nuts? He's a mouse.
they introduced him into their world.
Well, it's just about everybody, except for...
Snowbell, drop him right now.
Spit him right out.
I legit thought every show was filmed in front of a room full of Santa Claus until I was like 20. Knowing the truth was...
Steve? From Davidson High School?